Want to turn your ideas into stunning digital art in just seconds? You're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through how to use CogDream AI from text prompts to 3D models and pro-level editing. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I make simple, easy tutorials on AI tools and digital design. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to create amazing AI art using CogDream AI, whether you're a beginner or looking for advanced features like 3D conversion and image editing. Once you log in, this is the CogDream AI dashboard. Let me quickly explain the main tools you'll need. Text-to-image prompt box. This is where you write what you want to create. Filters and styles. You can apply filters like LoRa or structure transfer to change the mood, texture, or artistic style of your image. 3D2 image and Image2 3D you can generate. 3D models directly from text, or convert a 2D image into a 3D model with one click. Inpainting and upscaling. Inpainting lets you replace or fix parts of an image, and upscaling improves image resolution. History and gallery. This is where your previous creations are saved. You can remix or download them anytime. Let's start with the text-to-image feature. Then I'll click Generate, and in a few seconds here's our stunning image. Let's add a LoRa filter for a different look. I'll select an anime-style color grading filter and hit Generate again. Look how the same scene now has a vibrant anime feel. Let's try Image2 3D. I'll upload a 2D image, click Convert to 3D, and within seconds, the model is ready to view in the 3D viewer. You can spin, zoom, and even remix it with new prompts. Finally, let's fix an image using inpainting. You can easily select a part like the sky and change its color or remove unwanted objects. Then, I can upscale the image to make it high resolution with just one click. Start with broad prompts, then add details for better results. Try different LoRa filters to create unique looks. Save your best prompts and filter settings in your history for future projects. CogDream AI is a powerful, all-in-one platform that gives you text-to-image, 3D modeling, and professional editing tools all in one place. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you're creating next with CogDream AI. See you soon.